Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. We have another great snap-on smile result for you, so let's get right to it. Hello.
How you doing,
Good.
Doctor?
I'm good. Welcome to the office. So tell me why you came in wanting the snap-on smile.
Well, for a while I've had this three-tooth partial
Flipper. Yeah.
and I had another tooth extracted and it got really loose, and I'm just tired of it, so I wanted to have a perfect set of teeth.
So basically you wanted something that just doesn't replace your missing teeth, but something that covers your existing teeth to create a fantastic smile.
Exactly.
To be as handsome as he already is, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and zoom in. So he is wearing a little appliance that replaces his front teeth. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out. So this is basically what we call a little flipper. It fits over the roof of the mouth, and a lot of patients don't like it because sometimes it's a little bit cumbersome to eat with. Am I right?
Yes.
And it can loosen up and get loose. So
Yes.
we're going to put that over there, and let's take a look in your mouth. Bite down. As you can see, and go ahead and open a little bit, he's missing these teeth here, and Snap-on Smile not only can replace his missing teeth, but it'll cover the existing teeth as well. And also there's a missing tooth here.
That's one.
So this is going to act as both a partial and a cosmetic appliance. And let's zoom into the appliance. And as you can see, it's going to cover his existing teeth, but it's also going to replace the missing teeth. So I'm going to turn it over, and you can see. Let's look at it from this way. So here are the missing teeth here. Let's go ahead, and it's going to snap in, bite down, smile, and let's go ahead and zoom out. And it is completely, as you can see, it covers the gum quite nicely. It looks like the teeth grew there. We went a little bit different color, and let's go ahead and get the patient's reaction.
Wow. Oh, I'm handsome.
Yeah, you're handsome. You're always handsome. Now you're even more handsome,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Looks good.
Great. Oh, thank you so much.
What a big difference. So we're going to go ahead and we will sign off. We're going to adjust the appliance. He's all happy. He's like smiling. It's a huge difference.
It is.
Compared to that flipper. So let's say bye-bye, flipper.
Bye-bye, Flipper.
See you later. All right, I'm Dr. Terri Alani, the Texas Tooth Lady. Thanks.